me just do this for you guys. I love this. Hey guys, welcome back. You asked for it and I deliver. You wanted some more affordable watches for me to review, so I got some. And I got these emails, watch companies all the time want to send me watches for review and whatnot, like all the other popular YouTubers, even though I'm not that popular. Probably I'm not doing more affordable watches. So I got one because I liked it, kind of liked it. So I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and I wanted to show you. And of course, later on, I will wear it, use it, and then I will do a review. I'm using my Victorinox Swiss Army knife because that's my EDC these days. And it's a perfect everything you might need from a watch. So this is a micro brand. Don't know much about it, but I'm here to learn. So I'm just gonna open this. I wanna open it on camera. I wanna give you my first impressions. So usually when you see a watch review from a YouTube channel, and sometimes you may have noticed that at a certain time all the watch YouTubers are putting out the same video, like for the Baltic watch or for many other watches, and I kindly decline those offers, and mainly because I think the watch is way overpriced for what it's offering. Like for example, Baltic watch. For example, some of these watches are over $1,000, and I'm not certainly gonna recommend some poor schmuck to buy a $1,000 micro brand because I do care about my audience. So, but some watches like $200, $300, that's okay. So here's the brand. It's a Aries Gold. This is an interesting watch from the photos. I will show you right now. Aries Gold, Aries Gold. Oh wow, the box is very impressive. The box is super impressive on this one. Okay, it's a wooden box, and the Omega boxes are way worse on this one. So very nice. It's wooden. It's not lacquered or anything, but I still dig it. So I get some paperwork here, but I'm gonna cut this all short and just show you the watch. Just want to show you the watch. I dig it. And there's several options, and I took this one with the burgundy bezel. And guess what? Because burgundy bezel, I played with Tudor Black Bay Burgundy, and that watch did not impress me that much. It's okay, it's a nice watch, but for that amount of money, the only thing I like about it, honestly, was the burgundy bezel. And I had the opportunity to buy it and I didn't, and but I like the burgundy bezel. So this is affordable option for the burgundy bezel. And let me just do this for you guys. I love this. I love this. You cannot replace this. So Aries Gold, it's the name of the brand, and the watch is fantastic. And it's all because of the burgundy bezel, I know. But let me just quickly inspect it. Let me just check it out. So I have not made a mistake. So straight off the bat, I can tell you that the crown is unscrewed. I need to screw it in. Straight off the bat, I can tell you I hate when I see unscrewed crown. That's a no-go. I can tell you, people nowadays are paying Seiko SKX. They're giving 300, 400 bucks, and it's definitely not worth that kind of money. And this one is that in that price range, but it's a very solid watch. It's a very solid watch. But this is just an unboxing. So stay tuned, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will have a full review of this watch after I test it and use it and wear it. So what am I wearing today? El Primero. So there will be a video on this one also. But I like all watches, but when it's a micro brand or watches, I don't like them to be very expensive, because it's hard to be a micro brand today, but it's even harder when you are overcharging. And this one is, I think, reasonably priced, and I like value for money because I don't have a lot of money, but I like to get value for money, get my money's worth, and that's what my channel was all about ever since the beginning. I tried to show you as many possible watches that are good value for money, bang per buck. And this is a dive watch, 200-meter water resistant, automatic, Aries Gold case back. I will link you the website, at least that I can do. A full disclosure, I was sent this watch. I did not get any money to say any good things about it, so if I find something bad, I will definitely tell you, because integrity.